Lush forest and sparkling water await you at Elveden Forest. Situated in over 400 acres of woodland, there is so much to discover. This is a nature lover's haven, home to the beautiful Muntjac deer and Percy the peacock. See if you can spot them on your Elveden Forest break. An exciting range of indoor and outdoor activities. There's always something to do at Elveden Forest. Tee off on our 9-hole golf course. Or unwind in our award-winning forest spa, Aquasana Spa. Melt away your stresses, centered blissfully in nature. Your choice of places to eat. There's something for everyone, even those fussy eaters. Dive into good times at our Subtropical Swimming Paradise. Watch your little ones splash about in the pool, while the older children glide through the rapids. Whether you're staying in a forest lodge or waterside lodge, you'll have everything you'll need. The perfect place to relax and spend quality family time together and leave feeling refreshed.